What's up, guys? We have recently tested many SSDs on our channel Tech Brothers, both portable and internal. The advantage of internal SSD drives is that they offer much higher speeds than portable ones, because they are connected directly to the motherboard rather than through external ports with interface speed limitations. In this video, I want to test the new Yottamaster YS5. As you can guess from the name, it is designed for PS5. However, I don't have the game console, so I will use it with my computer. As usual, we will unbox the new SSD, look at the design, install it, and check the speed. Let's get started. So even the label on the box, Game-Chill SSD, says that this SSD is designed for gaming consoles or gaming computers. By the way, it's an M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD. I have a 1TB version, but it is also available in 2TB version. The stated read speed is 7450 megabits per second. We will check this a little later. On the back of the box, we can read the specifications and main features of this SSD. And we can see once again that it is exclusively designed for PS5, but it also compatible with the Windows, Linux and macOS devices. In the box, there is a user manual, a screwdriver with one screw, and the SSD itself. As you can see, the Yottamaster YS5 comes fully assembled with an aluminum alloy heatsink on top and aluminum alloy cooling base on the bottom. Only the SSD connectors stick out on the sides. By the way, the dimensions of the SSD in this form are 80 by 24 by 12 mm. The weight is 36 grams. However, there are 4 bolts on the sides, so let's unscrew them. The SSD still has silicon thermal pads on top and bottom. Let's try to remove them. Here is what the Yottamaster YS5 SSD looks like. We can only see the Maxio logo here and QR code from the other side. Now let's put it back together and install it into my mini PC. You know, since the Yottamaster YS5 has quite big aluminum case, it will not fit in all mini PCs. But fortunately, it fits into my computer. I would like to remind you that this SSD is designed for PS5 and there should be no problems with that. Installation is very simple, just like any other SSD. Just insert it into the SSD slot, then tighten the screw with a screwdriver included in the kit. Done. Since this is a new SSD drive, we need to initialize and format it before using it. For that, you need to right-click on the Start button and then select Disk Management. There you will find an unallocated storage. Just click on it and select New Simple Volume. Next, choose the volume, disk name, and other details. Now we have a new disk with a capacity of 953 GB. However, if we open the properties, we will see 1 trillion bytes. The Crystal Disk Info program says that this is a brand new SSD with 0 total host reads and writes. We can also see its capacity of 1024 GB here, as well as NVMe, Express Interface, PCIe 4.0 transfer mode, and other information. Finally, let's check the read and write speed of the Yottamaster YS5 SSD. Just to remind you, the read speed should be 7450 megabits per second. In my case, the read speed is 7096 megabits per second, and the write speed is 5223 megabits per second. It is a little slower than claimed, but still pretty fast. As for the actual speed, when I copied 100 GB of video files to the Yottamaster YS5 SSD, the transfer speed was almost 1 GB per second, or about 940 megabits per second to be precise. Overall, it took about 2.5 minutes to transfer 100 GB of files. That's fast, isn't it? So, although I couldn't test the Yottamaster YS5 SSD with the PS5 because I don't have the game console, I checked its speed on a Windows computer, and it really lives up to its claims. Perhaps the design, namely an aluminum alloy heatsink on top and aluminum alloy cooling base on the bottom, is the main feature of this SSD, because it not only looks stunning but also has good cooling. For the price of about $80 for 1TB version and $115 for the 2TB version, this is a really good SSD for gaming devices, whether it is a PS5 or a Windows computer. Thank you for watching. See you soon!